Hey guys, welcome back to Archasvi Art. Ganpati festival is round the corner, so today we are going to make eco-friendly backdrop using paisley motif, which is known as koyari in Marathi because of its mango-like shape. So let's get started. Trace paisley motif on thin cardboard using stencil, or you can draw it. Cut it off. Trace same motif on golden paper and cut. Paste them together. Decorate it with whatever material you have. I have used satin roses and some kundans. Further enhance it with adding latkans made up of small bell, beads and pearls. Stick two-way foam tape at the back. Make more of these depending on your requirement. You can make them colorful as well. Stick them on wall in any pattern you want. You can try many permutations and combinations on floor before fixing them on wall. I hope you like this simple, quick, eco-friendly idea for a backdrop. Please subscribe to the channel for more such videos and press the bell icon for updates. Bye and take care.